Learning about farm animals. On the farm, where life is sweet, animals we love to meet. Each one special, come and see. Let's meet the animals, wild and free. What animal is this? Cow. Cows grazing in the field, giving milk, their daily yield. What animal is this? Pig. Pigs rolling in the mud, snorting happily, feeling good. What animal is this? Horse. Horses running fast and strong, galloping all day long. What animal is this? Chicken. Chickens clucking, scratching ground, laying eggs all around. What animal is this? Sheep. Sheep with wool so soft and white, baying gently, day and night. What animal is this? Goat. Goats with their playful way, jumping, climbing every day. What animal is this? Duck. Ducks waddling to the pond, quacking, swimming all day long. What animal is this? Geese. Geese honking loud and clear, flying high, bringing cheer. What animal is this? Turkey. Turkeys gobbling, big and round, strutting feathers, making sound. What animal is this? Donkey. Donkeys braying, sturdy and true, helping with the work they do. What animal is this? Rabbit. Rabbits hopping, soft and small, nibbling veggies. That's not all. What animal is this? Cat. Cats prowling, chasing mice, keeping barns clean and nice. What animal is this? Dog. Dogs barking, herding sheep, loyal friends, their watch they keep. Farm animals of every kind, in fields and barns where they find a place to live, a place to roam. The farm is their happy home. So many animals to learn and see. Which one's your favorite? Tell it to me.